Hey, everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm super excited because we've got something very special to unbox. Now, I've been waiting to get my hands on this for a while, and I know many of you have been curious too. Is it really worth the hype? We're gonna find out together. So in this video, we'll start with the unboxing, take a close look at what comes inside the box, check out the design and build quality, and of course, I'll share my first impressions with you. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss future reviews and unboxings. Alright, enough talk. Let's open this up and see what's inside. Wow, just look at that camera, absolutely stunning. The design, the finish, the lens, it's giving premium vibes all around. The material feels top-notch, and the quality? Pure class. It's got that premium look and feel that instantly makes you go, yup, this is the real deal. Sleek, solid, and seriously impressive. The Insta360 GO 3S takes it up a notch with its external screen and battery attachment. And let me tell you, that's a game changer. Not only does it boost functionality, but it adds a whole new layer of versatility. Compact size with powerhouse features. Now that's impressive. Alright, Now let's check out what's inside the next box. It's looking exciting already. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please consider giving it a like, sharing it with friends, and subscribing to the channel for more exciting content.